Okay, so I should be focusing on my exams, but today Adobe Express beta is out, and you might be thinking, isn't Adobe Express already released? Well, this is going to be revolutionary. This app is way more than Adobe Express. There's Firefly incorporated and everything else. Like, it's basically Photoshop now and Premiere Pro combined together and simplified. You can find stock videos now as well as audio and so much more. There's also a content scheduler for the premium users, and I think this is going to be game changing. Moving on to our projects, we can also add text effects and other really cool things such as drop shadows, something I've been waiting for a while. There's also updated colors, so more color palettes and the eyedropper tool and hex codes, so it's going to be so much easier to get your colors into Adobe Express. And you also got the timeline feature where you can just make your design into a video, and this is going to be great for content creators like me, as you can create shorts or just complete full YouTube videos in Adobe Express. With the audio library and stuff, it's going to be so good. Moving on with text, there's also more options such as underline, italics and stuff. There's also bullet points now, and you also got negative tracking, which is going to be really cool for some people because there wasn't any in normal Adobe Express. And yeah, the text effects is gonna be my favorite thing because you can just choose a bunch of text effects and it will look really cool. Like for example, this golden marble one, and I really like this one. Like, holy, does that look clean. Furthermore, for the drop shadows, you can also customize them, which is going to be super cool, and there's also a preset, so it doesn't always have to be very soft. It can also be hard like the old Adobe Express shadow. Don't forget about the animations, because animations also play a big role in Adobe Express. If you want to create videos, you want clean animations, and there's way more animations than before. Moreover, there are third-party apps integrated into Adobe Express, such as OneDrive and Dropbox. These are going to be a huge factor as you will be able to do way more things. So I'm probably going to make a separate video about the best third-party apps for Adobe Express. There's one thing that bothers me. There's no stroke option yet. So I tried to look for it in the text effects, but I couldn't find it. So because it's still in beta, we're gonna give it some time because the developers probably are still trying to make one. So yeah, we're gonna import some elements and see about the layers. The layers still don't work, so we can't hide the layers or lock the layers. But hey, we got more effects in the enhancements place, and we can also have a razor tool now. And now with the blending modes, there's actually a small description so we know what to do. Oh yeah, and I almost forgot to tell you guys, there's horizontal flip and vertical flip for text and image, which is going to be big. Oh yeah, and that also reminds me, there's no blending mode for text still. So to finish the video off, I just want to talk about the collaboration features and how you can invite others into your project. I think this is going to be really cool. And to show the opportunities of collaboration with other creators. So what are your thoughts on Adobe Express beta? Share your thoughts in the comment, and if you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe for more graphic design content. And with that, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!